As a lumber and building materials professional, you know what it takes to get the job done. That's why Spruce has been the trusted advanced point-of-sale and business management solution for businesses like yours for more than 30 years. As a completely integrated cloud-based solution, Spruce streamlines every aspect of your business. Easy to use. With an intuitive interface, Spruce includes everything you need to grow, from point-of-sale and delivery dispatch to purchasing, integrated general ledger, and analytics. It's all included, without a complicated module structure or add-on process. Complete solution. Our integrated GL means no manually switching between accounting and business systems. And with Spruce's inventory management tools, special order features, and comprehensive EDI communications, your business will be more efficient. Spruce helps with aspects of your LBM business that generic software packages don't. You have a millwork operation, installed sales, rentals business. If so, we've got you covered. Superior document management. Best of all, Spruce's document management links all transactions, including handwritten or faxed records. Easily access your customer's quote, order, PO, receiving documents, proof of delivery, and sales invoices right in the software. Make better decisions. But you need more than the basics. With Spruce, you can quickly access your data through intuitive, analytic dashboards that help you make informed business decisions that drive growth and profitability. Cloud-based. Finally, because Spruce is cloud-based, you always have the latest software. No manual updates required. Your data is automatically backed up and protected from natural disasters, fire, or ransomware. Plus, with industry-leading mobile apps, you can access your information from anywhere, process orders, get signatures, and update a delivery status on the go. We understand your challenges and have the industry expertise to help you reach your goals. Let us show you how Spruce can take your business to the next level.